Understanding Renovation Loans, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we'll be exploring the concept of renovation loans. This is a topic that's particularly useful if you're interested in home improvement or real estate. Stay tuned as we dive into what renovation loans are, how they work, and why they might be useful to you. A renovation loan is a type of financial assistance that helps individuals finance the repairs or improvements of a property. It's different from a typical home loan because it's specifically designed for upgrading an existing property. This can include anything from minor repairs to major remodeling projects. There are several types of renovation loans, each with its own set of rules and benefits. The most common types are home equity loans. These are based on the current value of your home minus any existing mortgage. Personal loans. These are unsecured loans that can be used for smaller renovation projects. FHA 203K loans. These are government-backed loans specifically for home renovations. Qualifying for a renovation loan involves several steps. 1. Credit score check. Lenders will look at your credit history to determine your loan eligibility. 2. Property appraisal. The property you're planning to renovate will be appraised to estimate its value after renovations. 3. Detailed renovation plan. You may need to provide a detailed plan of the renovations, including costs and timelines. Benefits. Increases property value. Customizes your home to meet your needs. Risks. Additional debt. If the renovation doesn't increase property value, it can lead to financial loss. Renovation loans can be a great way to finance your dream home improvements. However, it's important to understand the different types available and the qualifications required. We hope this video has been informative and helps you make the best decision for your property. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.